No, it's right here.
Get close.
Feel it. Feel it. It's right here.
Last time I done
No, right here.
Feel that.
Can you just feel right here? It's called like dog.
What's in feel it? Dog jaw.
Well, there's just so many comments now.
Dog jaw, they're probably having you on. They're no such thing, I don't think, you know.
Really close? No, come closer. Come here.